Getting error 524 on Roblox? Don't worry. This error means you don't have permission to join a specific game or private server. Here's how to fix it.
You'll see this error when trying to join a private server, clicking the play button, or using an invite link. It's not a ban. It's just a permission issue.
The most common fix is adjusting your privacy settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and Contented Restrictions. Find Visibility and Private Servers. Change private servers to Everyone. This lets anyone invite you to their server.
If your settings are correct, ask the server owner to add you. They should go to their server, click the three dots, and select Configure. Then add your username to the server members list, or enable Friends Allowed.
Some games require you to join a group first. Check the game description for group requirements. If needed, click Join Group and wait for approval before trying again.
Under 13 accounts have restrictions. They can only join private servers from friends. Parents can adjust this in parental controls under Visibility and Private Servers.
Sometimes a simple restart fixes it. Close Roblox completely, restart your device, then open Roblox again, and try joining.
Network issues can cause this error too. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or reset your router. Make sure you have at least 4 megabits per second. Also, disable any VPN.
As a last resort, reinstall Roblox. Uninstall it, clear the old data, then download the latest version from Roblox.com. This fixes corrupted files.
That's it. Try these solutions in order. Most people fix error 524 with the first 2 steps. If nothing works, contact Roblox support. Thanks for watching.